Hello, how are you guys? I'm back. Today we discuss about five of the biggest US companies in crypto right now. Mint condition, the interstices of the blockchain might still be a mystery to you, but that does not mean you can't work in the fast growing world of cryptocurrencies and smart contracts. While crypto market prices have the kind of volatility that would make most investors blush, there are little doubt that technology is here to stay. Check out five America companies growing fast in the crypto space right now. Number one is Coinbase. Perhaps the biggest US based company is the crypto space right now. Coinbase is a Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange that has grown by unimaginable leaps and bounds in the last year. The company is potentially valued at more than $8 billion right now. The fast growing means big growing pains as well, so they are hiring a lot of repay all the technical debt. Number two, LedgerX. New York-based startup LedgerX is the Bitcoin trading platform that has achieved what seemed nearly impossible a few years back, legitimizing Bitcoin as a financial instrument. Number three is Ripple. Among the blockchain cognoscity, there is still a lot of debate as to whether Ripple is a truly decentralized cryptocurrencies or not. One thing is certain. Number four, Gemini. Founded by everyone's favorite drawing team twins, the Winklevi, Gemini is a digital currency exchange that launched in 2015, becoming the world's first licensed either exchange a year later. Number five is Stellar. Co-founded by Jed McCaleb, also one of the founder of Ripple, Stellar hopes to facilitate payments between individuals while offering far more transactions per second than the company's Ethereum network. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.